Hey guys, thanks for joining me. I'm Melissa from Moms with Mops, and this video is part of the Clean Like a Boss series. If you haven't seen the first two, how to clean your toilet and how to clean your vanity, please check them out. I just want to take a moment and thank all my subscribers and my viewers, and for everyone that shared my videos. I really appreciate you guys. And also for everyone who gives me feedback on the videos, that's so much appreciated. I did receive a couple of comments about the fact that I was cleaning in bare feet. So I just want to let you guys know I really enjoy doing that. So once again, here I am, cleaning in bare feet. These make me so happy. Best late night, wine-induced Amazon purchase ever. Before we get started, let's grab a few tools, or as I like to say, the bare necessities. So you're gonna need some gloves, a squeegee, a stack of microfiber cloths, a couple big towels, a big scrub brush, a small detail brush, a scrubby sponge, a magic eraser, and a cup for rinsing if you don't have a handheld shower. So you're also going to need a product or two that's safe to use in your shower, whatever that's made of. If it's tile, there's a lot of different products in the market. We like this one, which is what we mix it up ourselves actually. It's a tub and tile cleaner. It's also great on glass shower doors and walls. For fiberglass, you're gonna need some type of a scrubbing solution. Barkeeper's Friend's a good one, Soft Scrub's a great one, and then some 50-50 alcohol water solution. And for mildew stains, some household peroxide, or a bleach product of some sort. So just a side note regarding different materials in the bathroom. Of course, tile and fiberglass are the most probably common types, but there's also marble and different other types of stone. If you do have a natural stone shower, you should purchase a product specifically for that. And your favorite tunes to get you into the mood. Come on, have some fun with it.
Look for the bare necessities, simple bare necessities.
Two of the most common types of materials in bathrooms seem to be tile and fiberglass, and also these glass shower walls or doors. So we took a little field trip so we could actually clean this shower, which has a fiberglass bottom, tile walls, and a glass wall as well. So I can show you how to take care of all three of those materials. And you may ask yourself, do we really need all of this stuff to clean? Does a bear sit in the woods? So first, put your gloves on. Put down a big towel outside and a big towel inside. Now the reason for that is just to not transfer anything from the bottom of your shoes into the tub area. And it's also here, it's just to keep any drips and things off the floor because you don't want to run the floor. So first, take that cleaner that we talked about earlier. Give everything a good spray. Be very liberal with this product. It does not contain harsh chemicals. It does contain vinegar, which won't hurt you to breathe. It does smell kind of bad, but it really works. All right, we're gonna save the shower floor until later. So you're gonna let the product work for about 15 minutes. It's a good time to clean the sink and the toilet, or work on your latest dance moves while you sing your favorite song. But don't use the toilet brush as a microphone because that's just gross, y'all. So take your big scrub brush and work from top to bottom, left to right. Remember to use both hands, switch back and forth to save your elbows. All right, Grab your small detail brush and get those hard to reach areas. Okay, so for the glass, you're going to use one of these scrubby sponges, but just be careful. Don't scrub too hard with this. It can actually damage the glass. You want to do, since the product's been working, you've got a nice little soapy layer here. And you want to go in little circles. Again, top to bottom, left to right. You should not have to scrub hard. So in Florida, we have very hard water. And when you mix that with soap, it kind of turns into concrete on the glass. But this process will get it off. It'll look clear and beautiful when you're done. So just keep going in those little circles. Again, not scrubbing hard. You can see I'm not putting a lot of pressure on this. It's just mainly to just get that product kind of worked in there. Okay. You're going to give it a rinse, and then you're going to go back and check and just see if there's any other places that you need to work on a little bit. Usually toward the bottom, there'll be a little more scrubbing involved. So you touch those areas up again. And you can tell too, even with your gloves on, if you touch it, you can actually feel the soap scum there. Okay, let's rinse. Okay, now so to do the fiberglass part in the bottom, I'm going to pull the towel out. I'm going to use one of my abrasive scrubbers. This works really well in fiberglass. Squirt some of that in the bottom. Grab my little sponge again. And so when that's all done, you're going to give this a rinse as well. Once you're finished with the fiberglass, if you see some residual staining there, you can take care of that with just some rubbing alcohol, diluted 50-50 with water, and a magic eraser. So you just give it a spray. Let it soak for just a couple of minutes, then go back with a magic eraser. If it doesn't take care of it the first time, you can go over it again. Works beautifully. So the next step is to take a squeegee and remove the water from the glass and the rest of the shower for that matter. This doesn't have to be perfect. You'll see why in a sec. Actually a good idea to use one of these after you shower because like I said, the soap and the water actually kind of forms concrete on the glass and the shower walls, so it helps with buildup. Of course, it's not actually concrete, it's more lime deposits and calcium buildup, but over time it is very difficult to get off, which is why I kind of refer to it like that. So anyway, once you're done with the squeegeeing part, you are almost done and you've barely even broken a sweat. Okay, the next step and the last is drying everything. This is an important step. It finishes it. It gets any little drops of water that are left behind. And like always, I fold my cloth into fourths. That way I can reuse it. You just dry all that water off. And if there are any streaks left behind, you can use some glass cleaner and just go over it to get those. But usually this does it. So then go ahead and dry the rest of the shower as well. So the drying actually helps you get those last few little bits of debris, any stray hairs that got away while you were cleaning, that kind of thing. So it is an important step. All right, almost done. Okay, so once you've finished, what do you do if you still have some mildew left in the shower? Just grin and bear it? No way. So at that point, maybe grab some peroxide. That's my favorite natural way to get rid of mildew, just household peroxide, just full strength. However, if it's too strong for that, you're gonna have to use a bleach cleaner, okay? And so basically the safest way to use bleach is to spray the affected area, just what's needed, tiny bit, and then leave the bathroom and just let it go. It'll dissipate over time. Straight household bleach will dissipate, and you don't have to worry about rinsing it. Okay, this product would have to be rinsed. If you do use bleach of any kind, do not stay in the room. Immediately, let that be the last thing you do, spray it and get out. Seriously guys, I couldn't bear the thought of you breathing those fumes. Part of cleaning the shower is cleaning the shower head. Over time, calcium deposits build up and actually kind of corrodes your shower head, and all these little spouts can get stopped up so the water doesn't come out correctly, and eventually it will break down and destroy the shower head. So I'm going to show you how to do that with just a few household items. So you're going to need some white vinegar, a large Ziploc bag, a small detail brush, and a rubber band. So take the large Ziploc bag and fill it up about halfway with white vinegar. And this shower head detaches, so you can easily just pull it off and drop it inside. If it doesn't detach, just slide it up over the end and attach the rubber band around the back. It'll still work the same way. But since this one detaches, I'm going to drop it in here just like this. Use the rubber band, wrap it around, and you let it soak for about 2 to 3 hours. So once it's finished soaking, you're going to take the rubber band off, take it out of the vinegar, discard the bag and the vinegar, and then use your detail brush and use that to give this a scrub. Gets rid of all that calcium buildup so it actually works properly. And then give it a rinse. This can be done about once every 6 months just to keep it properly maintained. It will actually extend its life. And that's it. We are done. But before I sign off, I have a very corny joke for you. What do you call a bear who doesn't have any teeth? A gummy bear. And one day, when I inevitably choke to death on gummy bears, I hope that people just say I was killed by bears and leave it at that. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with the people you love. And keep an eye out for the next video in the Clean Like a Boss series on how to clean your entire bathroom very quickly and efficiently. Thanks so much. Have a great day.